Chef Page here. Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna cook chop suey or stir-fried vegetable. Well, make sure your pan or your wok is hot because we're gonna have a quick frying. Well, let's get it on. Let's start with liver. Just a quick fry for about a minute. Be gentle. The next should be the pre-cooked pork together with the liver. Cook them for about 2 minutes only. Don't overcook it. Hurry up for the sauces. A little stir here, a little stir there, and you're done with your meat. Now the oil is hot. Let's put the garlic there, and we're gonna add the shrimp with the onions and the bell peppers. And a little stir here, a little stir there. That's why it's called stir fried, isn't it? Set it aside so that it won't overcook. A little cleanup so that we could have a good start for our next ingredient. This is very important so that when we cook our vegetable, it will be very beautiful and neat. This is sayote or chayote. Cooking for about a minute before we add our next ingredient. Now let's add the green beans and the rest of the veggies. I'm sure that you are familiar with them. Young corn or baby corn, let's put it in there. Now let's add the happy tree broccoli. Let it sit for a while, for about a minute, and we're halfway there. Cook the snow peas and then thin slice carrots very fast because they cook easily. You want it crunchy, right? Add the napa cabbage quick. To make it more authentic and unique, add black fungus or wood ear. It has good medicinal benefits. And then the cabbage. A little soy sauce, chicken stock, And of course, a little fish sauce. Cover and rest it for a minute. Hello there. Now you stir it, toast it, and you may add the remaining veggies and add back the meat. Now is the time to season it with oyster sauce and cornstarch diluted in water, and we're almost there. Finish it with quail eggs, optional, but don't forget the celery that I just put in a while ago because it will be another level if you have this. And it's a secret, but it's a secret that everyone should know. I just added a little sesame oil and ground pepper. Now let's wait for a while until we reach our desired consistency. The sauce should not be thin, but not too thick. Voila, we're done. Bon appetit.